In the previous video, we already learned about basic command in Cisco. Next, in this video, I will show you that command in Cisco can be shortened. For example, the command enable can be shortened to en like this. So, we don't need to type the complete command. Okay, let's just try it. Let's open the router. Here, let's back to the user mode. And then type en. Type the password. And okay, here we can see that we have successfully go to privilege mode. Let's try to exit again. Maybe some of you have a question. Can I shorten the enable command become just E? Let's try it. Okay, here we get an error ambiguous command. Now, let's try E and then question mark. Here we can see that there is two commands that started by E, which is enable and exit. This is why we get an error ambiguous command. But if we type en and question mark, here we can see that the possible command is only enable. So, we can shorten the enable command become en. Next, let's try to shorten configure terminal. Here I type CO and then question mark. Here we can see that we still have more than one possible command, which is 3 commands. Now let's try to CON and then question mark. Here we have 2 possible commands. Let's try CONF or conf and then question mark. Here we can see that now we only have 1 possible command, which is configure. Space. And then here I tap T and question mark. Here the only command that started by T is only terminal. Okay, so this is the shortened command of configure terminal. Let's enter it. Okay, here we can see that we are successful to enter global configuration mode. Now, let's try to exit from global configuration mode. Let's type E and then question mark. Okay, here we can see many commands that started with E. Let's try EX and then question mark. Okay, here we just have 1 command, which is exit. So this is enough. Let's enter it. Now, let's try show running config. Let's type SH and then question mark. Okay, here we only have 1 command. And then let's try R and then question mark. Okay, here we also have only 1 command, which is running config. So, sh space R is enough for show running config. Okay, now you are know about shortened command in Cisco. But one thing that you need to know is that command in the Cisco packet tracer is much less than in the real device. So, maybe some shortened command in Cisco packet tracer is work, but in the real device is not work. Here is some command shortened that I usually use. For enable, the command is en, exit is ex, configure terminal is conft, and show running config is show run. Okay, that is some shortened command that I usually use. Next, we are going to learn about autocomplete. So, besides shortened command, we also can use autocomplete in Cisco. Here, let's type sh and then tab. So the command will be autocomplete become show like this. And then let's type run and then type again. Okay, here the command is autocomplete become show running config. Okay, That is some feature of Cisco that we can use to speed up the configuration process. The first one is shorten command, and the second one is autocomplete. Okay, I think enough for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.